Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome.
This is my dream. It's on my team.
So I'm back with another video, and this one is an unboxing. And as per the title, you could tell what I'm unboxing. I'm unboxing my big nice Dolly. Yeah, okay. So just stay tuned, watch me unbox her so you can see what she looks like and what I'm gonna do with her. Before we get into that, if you're not subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you'll definitely be notified. All right, come on, make go warm up the box and see what the Dolly look like. She's a size small, right? And this looks so nice. This is a tie and dye dress that we have. It's very stretchy. This is a size small. Thank you guys for watching. That's unboxing of my Dolly in her nice little dress. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is my new Dolly. She's my new model. She'll be modeling for me. Okay, I've got a lot of work to do. This was my old model, but she's not doing the work well, so we had to switch to her. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like the videos, share them with your friend, and if you couldn't see me in the video, there I am in the mirror. Don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends, comment, and subscribe. Bye.